Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today's the 20th. Yeah, I made a recap actually yesterday, but for some reason it didn't record. My input setting was on the wrong mic. But yesterday I was up about like $340, $325, something like that. So yeah, and also for the few days before that, I haven't been making a recap, just been a bit busy. But let me know if you want me to make them every day. I don't know if you guys are watching them and whatnot. So just let me know in the comments, right? But anyway, so today was a good day. I was watching CLBS, OBLN, STCN, DARE from yesterday. It was I did good, so I was watching that today. APM as well. NDRA was all right. I didn't really watch that today. INUV, MOTS, ADMP. I mean, definitely like there were good amount of stocks today. Everything was gapping up. So, but today I traded INUV, CLBS. I reacted late and I just kind of canceled the shares. But whatever. It was just 100 shares and I just got out pretty much. DARE, I took a trade on OPTT, TMDI, SENS, EXK, and TMDI. I had two losing stocks today, which was DARE and OPTT. So I'll show you that first. Let me pull that up. So DARE, I got in at, let's see, 364 and I got out at 359. So I was looking for this spot right here. So let me just draw the line real quick. So I was looking for this break right here, which it did happen. And then it just couldn't sustain it. So yeah, I was looking for a move to at least like this high of day break right here or around this area. That's where I wanted to get out, but it came back down and then I got out for like, 6 cents loss or something like that. So that was that. And then my next trade was OPTT, which I lost 3 cents on. Let's see. OPTT, I was looking for this break right here, 375, 373-ish, right? So it did happen, but again, it kind of double topped here and just came back down. And then that's when I got out. But I was expecting this to go higher and test 385s. So that did not happen. But it's all good. It was still controlled loss for that trade. But I also had very good green trades as well. Like, for example, INUV from 191 to 204. And then TMDI from 236 to 244. SENS 321 to 324. EXK, I had one trade that was lost by 2 cents. And then the next trade I had from pretty much scratch, you can say. And then TMDI again, I had from 249 to 256. So I'll show you that one first. TMDI, I think I sold way too early. So I got in for this 250 break right here. And it went all the way to 270. So, and I sold some around this area right here. I just wasn't sure if this was gonna go higher. The level 2 is kind of looking flaky, but oh wow, now look at the stock is making higher highs. Wow. Okay. Well, you can't catch everything. So especially I can't trade all day because I also have a day job. So I can only trade in the mornings. So I can't really hold and then hope it's gonna go up, right? So that's why I like to, scalp. And yeah. So this was TMDI, and then SENS, I can show you, I got in at this area right here for this breakup 325 spot. Or 320, I think it was. 320, I think. Let me check. Yeah, I got it at 321. But anyways, yeah, for the break of this, and I sold some on the way up. I obviously sold a bit early, but it's all good. And then INUV was, the best trade, but then I gave away some profits on it because of DARE and OPTT. So let me show you TMDI again, my first trade I had on it, which was for the break of this high day break right here. and I sold some on the way up. So that was that. Okay, now let's go back to INUV. INUV, I caught this from 190 right here. 190's break right here. This was bouncing off the 9 EMA, and then 190 there was a seller, and then caught this, and then obviously sold way too early again, but it went all the way to 233s. So yeah, today I'm up and $300. So definitely today and yesterday was a good day, and I want to finish this week strong, and hopefully you guys will too. And make sure you follow your plan, stick to your plan. Things could be volatile today and tomorrow because of the inauguration, so make sure you follow the plan. And yep. And also like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you guys watch these recaps so that way I can make them and not make them. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.